A smiling cloud floats quietly in the sky, while other clouds rain and make loud thunder, and people say this cloud is useless because it never gives water. Days pass and the sun becomes very hot and the land feels tired. Children stop playing and sit sadly under the burning sun. Then the smiling cloud slowly moves above them and spreads wide, giving cool shade and soft air. The children feel better and start smiling again. They stand up, play, and laugh while looking at the cloud. Adults feel calm, watching them and forget their worries. For a moment, no rain falls, but peace fills the place, and everyone understands that not all help comes with noise. Some help comes softly, just by being there. Sometimes the smallest kindness changes the whole day. Even quiet hope can make life feel lighter.